Welcome to EDU World Space.
We're asked to create a confidence interval at 95% for the true population mean of the weight of adult elephants. For any confidence interval, we're required to have three different components. One is the mean, two, the standard deviation, and three is the t-value, or test statistic, whichever one. So the good news is this problem has already provided us with the mean and the standard deviation. The mean is 12,300 pounds, and the standard deviation is 22, which means all that we need to do is find the t-value. In order to find the t-value, you need two different things: your degrees of freedom and your confidence level percent. Degrees of freedom is calculated using n minus 1. So in this case, that would be 8 minus 1, which equals 7. And the confidence interval level is given to us at 95%. So take a moment to flip to the back of your book, find your t-value table. I suggest putting a little bookmark there or something because you'll be using it quite frequently. Find degrees of freedom 7. Find the confidence interval percent of 95 on the top, and match up your columns to get your t-value, which should be 2.167. Now that you've done that, we can start plugging things into our confidence interval. So the formula for a confidence interval is CI is equal to the sample mean plus or minus the t-value times standard deviation over the square root of n. So in this case, that would be 12,300 plus or minus 2.167 times 22 over the square root of 8. Take a moment to plug that into your calculator, as I do that myself, and make sure to be very careful when you're doing this part of your calculation, as there's a lot of operations happening and you don't want to mess anything up. Okay, so hopefully by now you have it. If not, no worries, pause the video and come back when you're ready. But your interval should be 12,282 is less than or equal to mu is less than or equal to 12,318. That is our interval for this problem.